What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. I got this. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mags back with another video. I only kicks 843. If you already know me, shout out the boys for me. You already know what time it is. Your boy just got a package, man. Your boy just got another package in the mail, man. Another package in the mail, man. Feel me? So we about to unbox this on camera real quick. I'll show y'all what's in it, because I actually don't know what's in it. So we about to see what's going on. Let me set y'all up real quick. We gonna get right. Feel me? And I'm show y'all what's in this box, because I'm interested. Feed. Another one in the meal. Straight motion, bro, y'all. Motion, no over emotion, but old. See what's crazy? A lot of people, they don't understand. Like, you can't get better at something if you don't have repetition for it. For me, y'all gotta understand. I've been doing video creation since 2016, 2017. But I've been really out here trying to make a name for myself. I've been really trying to make a name for myself, stay consistent on my brand stuff, push my brand out. Y'all already know the situation where I'm trying to put it on for the hood, for me, the island. Sell these shoes, sell these sneakers, sell my clothing. For me, you know how I'm pushing it. For me, I'm trying to keep it consistent. Soon, I'm about to start a reaction channel on my MMB side. Y'all stay tuned for that. I'm about to start. I got a whole green screen and everything. I'm about to start pushing out videos on different, like, just reaction to different stuff. Cause I'll be watching some interesting stuff, but like these interviews, I ain't even gonna spoil it, man. But you see what we got, y'all. You see. Hold on. Let me get right with the thumbnail real quick. I need a thumb. I need to go down with the thumb. 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 Another one. Hold on. Another package. Say word. Another. Shit sound heavy. Shit sound kinda heavy, buddy. Oh yeah. Do I got a box cutter in here? I need something to cut it. We about to cut it with a needle. You feel me?
Nails and scales, the only way I know how to sell them nails. Nails and scales, the only way I know how to send some mail.
Oh, see the box a little bit. It's white. Got a little bit of color. Got a little bit of color. Let me see, bro. Last things I ordered was some sneakers. I ordered a mic, like a mic cover, so when I rap on the mic, the background noise in here is kind of catchy. So I ordered a background mic so I could talk. And I ordered, what else I ordered? I don't know if I ordered a fit. I don't think I ordered a fit. But it's either one of those three things in this box right here. One of those three things. We about to open up. See what's in it. You feel me? That's it for this box. Empty. Okay. Production Desperation. This microphone installation shield kit is great for professional vocal accuracy, recording, and podcast sound booth. Easy to install and easy to carry within your home or into studio. Spicy. Whoa, it's a whole studio. This my mic cover, man. Oh my God, hold on. I guess this the stand, the little stand for it. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's like a dog, bro. It's like it look like revolving doors. Kinda. It's like, oh my God, how open this? Oh, it's like, oh, shoot. It's hard. Look at this. Oh, my homeboy is about to wow out about this. Oh, shoot. Nah. This tough, bro. Yeah. Look how big this is. Like, it's meant to fit the size of your face and go right up in your grill. So you can speak in that mic. Speak that real shit. Speak them bars into existence. For me, that's what I do. I only rap because that's my way of manifestation for me. I manifest everything through rap. Show y'all everything through YouTube. Grind everything out through Instagram. For me, y'all don't never see the editing part. Y'all don't see the long hours. Y'all just see the videos, for me. But this shit take time, it take effort, it take struggle, it take money, because you need money to buy stuff, for me, and put out videos. But honestly, I'm gonna put this for is to use. This gonna make me, right here, this is what you call an investment, bro. Like, this right here, I know I did not have to buy this, but I know later on, this help me with some music, which could later, you never know, I might make my first 1 million view song on this, bro. Something, you never know, bro. Like, honestly, you gotta invest in yourself. Invest in your brand, invest in whatever you do, bro. Your craft, you need to get the right shindig if you really about it, for me. And a lot of y'all, he say, she sayers and stuff, and y'all worried about the wrong stuff, bro. Y'all worried about fit pics and stuff, but like, nigga, all your money going to them clothes you gonna wear for 2 years, bro. This, if I use it properly, gonna last me at least 5-6 years, bro. Probably more money. I'll probably get like 40s by the time I really buckle down, the time your shirt going, bro. Like, I'm gonna have 4 of these sitting in the crib. All my niggas studioed up sessions, getting it in on the laptop, feel me? Just like on some real motivational, inspirational stuff. Like, something little like this can really help you think and expand your mind, bro. It's about collective thinking, bro. Feel me? What you think them monkeys did, bro? Them monkeys, when they put them on an island and they was together, they had collective thinking, bro. They knew what's up. How did they know the other people was on to the music and social media? Because he see other people do it. They get successful from it. Why not do this thing that they did to get successful? For me, collective thinking, bro. Think smarter, invest in yourselves, and stay true to the game. Shout out the Money Boys. Feel me? Shout out Arwen Kicks 843. Y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more videos like this in the future. Feel me? Stay sobered up. New song dropping soon. Camera coming soon. New unboxings coming soon on this channel. Reactions coming on the next channel. Whole bunch of games coming through this month. Just a whole bunch of content coming through. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah.